Minister wa muhasho wa muno wa Aroni Mtswaledi vari muhasho wo lavhelesa kha system yawo u vhona arali zwidodombedzwa zwa vhune zwa Thabo Bester zwi hone. Vha muhasho vha dovha vha dalela vhane apfi ndi Mayor Bester u khwaṱhisedza vhuṱanzi.
We paid her a visit, and indeed we paid her a visit to Home Affairs. Indeed, she insisted that she's the mother of Thabo Bester. She even gave us his date of birth and told us that she gave birth to this gentleman at Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital on the 13th of June 1986. And indeed, we rushed to Bara Hospital and checked in their archives, and what this lady told us is true. Thabo Bester, if you go to archives in Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital, you'll find him in the labor ward of the hospital.
Minister vari muhasho wo ḓo vhudzisa Mayor Bester nga zwine vari a zwi khou pfala na luthihi.
She said she has got 4 children, including Thabo Bester. When we went to the National Population Register, indeed the 3 children were there, but there was no Thabo Bester. And so when we visited her, we had to quiz her about this issue. That on TV you mentioned 4 children, you told us you delivered Thabo Bester at Baragwanath, we went to check, the records are there, it's true. But why are all your children appearing on your system in Home Affairs, but not him? She actually explained how it happened. She was born in 1965, so Thabo's mother herself was never registered when she was born. In other words, she had no birth certificate, she had no ID, she had nothing.
Minister u dovha ṱalutshedza zwinzhi nga maṅwalo o enda a dokotela Vho Magudumana na dokotela Vho Mmereka Ntshani.
She was found with 2 other passports, and that's where the story of multiple passports come in. But those 2 passports don't belong to her. They belong to a Dr. Mmereka patient's mother, Ntshani. She was carrying her passports. Now, one of these passports she was carrying had actually expired on the 24th of July 2022, because we issued it to Dr. Ntshani on the 25th of July 2012. So midnight on 24th of July 2022, it expired, but she was carrying it. And look, it beats us as to why she was carrying an expired passport. It has got no use. So any machine in the country will have read Dr. Dr. Ntshani's passport and realized that it expired. But she was carrying it. Whether she knew that or not, we don't know. The second passport, which also belonged to Dr. Ntshani, which was found in her possession, was issued on the 10th of July 2019 and is due to expire on the 9th of July 2029. So it still have got a very long lifespan, this passport.
Thabo Bester o ḓivhonadza khothe khulwane ya Bloemfontein namusi he mulandu uyu wa fhiriselwa phanḓa ya kha ḽa 13 ḽa Shundunthule. Dokotela Vho Magudumana na vhone vho ḓivhonadza khothe heneyi mulovha he mulandu uyu na vhone vha fhiriselwa phanḓa u ya kha ḽa 17 ḽa Lambamai.